What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Over the Hill. Now this game, I have no idea what it is. I just know it exists. So let's see if it's good or not. Now this is just a demo, so you won't get like the full thing. But howdy, here to get your driving license? No hurry. Start by looking around. How There's so much to explore. Do we have to get all the way up there? No. I gotta do a tutorial. Alright. Let's get on to it. There's damage in this thing, okay. Yeah, I might need to turn down this music. Gosh, dang. There we go. I am really glad there isn't gas. Okay. I don't mind having an automatic. Could I please get moving? I don't need to read this long. We have. Where did I go? Am I supposed to be doing something or something? I feel like I'm missing something. In the transmission control. Huh? Oh, that was close one. Being damaged. The damage reminds me of RV area, honestly. Ugh. I'm assuming we go this way. There's no really direction on where I go. Where do I go? Just following the path. Nah, if this is like... Oh no. Choose perfect. The object will latch into the closest one on the center of the camera. How do... Oh. Dude, I am not... It's a manual winch. the mud? My other mind. Yes. In the radar menu, you can also find tools. Yeah, exploration as well as cassette players from the Safari camera. We're back in high. How do I open it? Oh. Abandoned crate. What'd I get from it? What have been? Antenna. How do I equip the antenna? If it be, oh my! Engage low range. Oh, okay, this is fast. I thought we were having a rock wall. Honestly, bro. Make it. Yo, is that my house, bro? What? Yeah, it's high. Cabins are rest point. They are used to restore everything and fast travel. They are also reveal part of the map. Open the map to discover surroundings. Oh! The icons you see on the map point of interest. Discover the cabin respawn. So it's kind of like Call of Wild when it comes to the map. Okay. This looks exactly like Call of Wild. So am I done with the tutorial, or is there still more? Dude, this is like a hiking path. Menu. Which region you want to start your adventures from? Men. I think I'm gonna do this region first. Unless if this is the end of this region. Oh, is it? Yo, is this a cosmetics place? Access merchant. Howdy. Okay. That's weird. It's nice at the bottom. There's like a radar on what level you're at. Up. That damaged my vehicle. Which way you went? I'm going the dangerous way. I hope I don't fall. Okay, that's good. It's a lake. It's one of the Great Lakes. Yo, is this a ramp? Oh yeah. Okay, this is a pretty bumpy path. Got some damage. Let's just show the damage like BMG. Yeah. Okay. It's a pretty good game so far. Honestly. Yo, another cabin. Lake. Clear water lake cabin. I'm gonna keep on going. What do you need some money for? I saw a money symbol. Dude, I feel like it's in low gear right now. It's going so slow. I mean, there's probably a reason why it's going so slow. But it feels like it's going so slow. Okay, yeah, there's a big difference between high and low. Yo, is this a point of interest? You missed a couple point of interests. I'm going up to this house first. Dude, these houses look like Call of Wild even. I don't know if you guys want me to, but if you guys want me to, you guys should comment if I should make a couple videos on Call of the Wild or not. Now, unfortunately, why I'm playing this alone is because the demo's only on Steam. I'm the only one in my friend group who has a computer. So it's like, there's no one else can play this besides me. So is that like a grapple winch or Why is there snow? How do I? Nope. Nope. Come on. No idea what I'm supposed to do here, but I'm assuming I need to do this. Is that what I was supposed to do? I hope I didn't need to bring him all the way back. Oh! It doesn't pause your game. Well, I'm not going this way. Because that way is obviously... I didn't know it could snow. There's snow on the ground. Does that mean it's more slippery? Because if we're being realistic, it's more slippery. Where'd the other guy go? Did you go back into the lake? Not my problem. Really. Not my problem. Alright, I want to go that way. How do I? Ah! Dude, why is it? Oh my goodness. How much more snow are we gonna get? Holy cow. Where's the path? Good lord. I can't even see the path. Is that it? I think that's it. Holy cow! Oh my goodness! Oh. Tokyo drifting it. Gotta get more traction. Oh, so I can teleport. Is it A? Oh, that. Oh, now it's raining. Dude, do I have a drum set guy in my engine or something? So it is that way. But that way is like... Maybe it's not. Let's go check. Nope, it still is. Okay, I see the path now. Oh my goodness, I can't turn. Oh, is this whole thing a mud pit? Is that why I wasn't getting any traction? Help! Oh. The graphics are pretty good, honestly. Which makes me worried if it's gonna be good on YouTube or not. Time to go even more up. Oh yeah. Now I get why I wasn't getting traction in there. Just because it was mud plus snow. Eagle's not great. Whew. We drifted that. Parking brake on. So yeah, I want to go that way. This is a little bit of a steep hill. Oh my goodness. Dude, we went over the... Okay, I need to climb up this hill in low gear. Whoa. You got this, look. Little car, you got this. There's a lookout tower. Dude, if I fall, what happens if you... Ah! What happens if you break your car all the way? It's a pretty nice, chill game until it's not. I know it's not gonna be eventually. Oh, this is like another house thing. Oh. There I am down there. Where do I go from here? Tell me this is the path? No. Brother. Oh, garage. Oh. I want the Marshall. Portable winch. Grail. Oh. You can color it. Dude. Should I upgrade the suspension? Or tires. Winch. Well, no, how do you... I got a... antenna. Getting part there. Alright, so what's the point of the interest over here? Oh no. Rock crawl. Oh no. Thank goodness I got better tires. On the lake. So what, do we have to discover the whole map or the point of interest? I'm confused on what we need to do to get to the next region. Honestly, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna explore. Do whatever. Do whatever I want. Close one on the lake. Oh, what's over there? That looks interesting. Oh, that's a... Oh! How did I not take damage? I barely clipped a tree. I took damage. I didn't take damage from that. Okay, I should have bought protection. How long is this trial? Oh no. I should not be doing this while it's raining. Dude. I really hope the YouTube whatever doesn't mess up. Go forward, go forward, go forward! No! No! Help! I barely clipped that. That would have scratched the paint, if anything. Alright. I'm hauling now. Hang it. Oh, I got a hang of this. Why that scared me? I don't know why that scared me. But it did. I played horror games, and that scared me. Wild. How did I not take damage? I'm not gonna ask questions. Here. Past this section is where I died. Right there's where I died. I made it past where I died. Ooh, I'm in yellow. How do you turn on your headlights? That's something that's pretty nice. I mean, I can see perfectly fine, but like... Where are we trying to get to on this path? To school or something? Oh! Oh! Not again! What's wrong with the camera? Help! Oh, man. Brother. This time I'm gonna go there. I presume this is the right path. This is right. What the? I'm on a path. It doesn't say I'm on a path though. It says the path is right there. Right there is water. I need a better gearbox. That's what I need. It finally stopped raining. Never mind. Can't even make it up this little hill on high gear. Alright. Where do we go? Look how bright these are. Huh? Be nice to know what the... Okay, so now we want to go this way. For the other point of interest. See what that is. Forward. What is this? Dude, these rocks are making me spin out. Oh, it's a bandit crate. I thought it was one. Abandoned crate. What did I get from it? Beacon amber. Oh my goodness. Nah, they're not that bright. Now this is what I call headlights. Holy cow. Look how much you can see without it and then with it. These headlights outpower the sun. Wait. I'm gonna go this way. Dude, the bridges are getting even more and more damage. Such as just how many people out here. It's just me out here. It's force. My Defender. I just assume that's what this car is right now. Defender. Climbing up this giant hill. No idea where I'm going. Two paths. What's the point of interest? What's wrong with the camera? Where's the point of interest? Ah, it's bending great. I really hope I don't get stuck. Abandoned crate. What did I get from it? Yeah! Bull bar! So if I go So I want to go left. If I want to discover more, I want to go left. Holy cow. These are just hiking trails, bro. We're driving on hiking trails. It's getting darker and darker. Like, look how dark it is. I see the stars. We're wall riding. Come on. Get up. What's that? Oh, not another time trial. I mean, I'll try it, but... Come on. Where do I... Oh. This isn't a path anymore. Holy cow. Challenge right. East River Trail. See, it's a trail, not even a road. We're driving on a trail up here. That one hurt. There's a deer. There's actually a deer. What is this? What? Put it in low. Even on low, I can't make it up. The heck? I can't see. Ah! Okay, that wasn't too bad. This is gonna be bad. Why is it constantly raining? Stop raining. I mean, I'd much rather have it rain than snow. How long is this trial? I mean, I'm doing better than the other trial I did. I think. What did I get from out of this trial? I hope it's something. So I just did all this. Oh my goodness. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Dang, bro, that thing's like a 8-pointer. How long is this? Oh, this has to be it, right? What'd I get out of it? Challenge complete. Trail burner. So I want to go that way. discover the house up here. It's being so dark, I can't see it. Okay, so I want to backtrack quite a bit, actually. Ah, alright, so that's where I want to go, is up. Up here. Once I get a new house, I'm gonna try out the trail burner. See how that does. Honestly. This is doing pretty good. Yeah, I still want to go that way. Dude, why? What is this? I'm going around that. I'm not doing that. Now, I have no idea where I'm going because I've watched no one play this game before. So it's like, I have no idea where I'm going. Where am I? Is that another trail? Sure is. But where do I want it? I want to hit that point of interest. I'm gonna hit that point of interest, and then I'm gonna hit the house, and then try the trail burner or whatever. Was it trail burner? Oh no! No! What is this? Don't tell me it's another trailblazer. Oh! It's a light. It's a tower. Oh, I see the other house. So can you spawn at towers? Come on. You get up. Yeah. So, no, I cannot. Project Light Special. No, I'm turning around. I'm turning around. I'm turning around. I am not backing down this in dark. What the? Was that thunder? So now I want to turn there. So once I hit that marker. It did not repair my vehicle, indeed. Alright. I thought it would repair my vehicle. Probably not. right here I'll want to turn, right? Yes. Ah, dude, I need to get this house. One, so I can do the other vehicle. Two, it's like I'm damaged. What is this trail going through? What is his house? Boulder Crest Lodge. Give me a second. Now time to customize my thing. My vehicle. Yo! $70 this time. So, what was it? It looks like ARC Raiders on it. Oh, I have to upgrade this engine too. I have 20 left. Of course I do. A depart. Alright, we're gonna get that point of interest with this vehicle. It is pitch black. Going to this point of interest with my ARC Raiders truck. Alright. Oh, it's a crate. Okay. Jump it. Alright, what do I get? What do I get? Abandoned crate. What do I get? Fairy lights. Alright. Now we're gonna go down to that other house. Okay, so I'm facing towards the camera was geeking. I don't know why. This was geeking. Thankfully it's all downhill and not uphill. Uphill is all slow, downhill is all dangerous. I bet you the other house is like a beach house. Is that it? It looks like a wash tower. Barely clipped the tree that made me take damage. Like, barely. Oh. Why is this trail so bumpy? Oh, now we start the progress up. Alright, let's see. How good is this house? The other house looked kind of weird, honestly. Ah. Shit, that boulder's floating. It's a floating boulder. Floating boulder. There's a point of interest over here. It's a crate. What do I get? Dude, I had to hit the crate to get it. And took damage. Alright, what did I get? Spare wheel, axle, and shovel. That's axe, not axle. Why did I say axle? We're gonna have, yes, we're gonna have a giant axle on the back of our vehicle. There's a point of interest in the river. Get out. That's a moose. Get out of the way, deer. Or moose, whatever you are. Should be a path here. Yeah. Yeah, dude, I'm so glad I figured out how to do headlights, because if not... Dude, I can't see a dang thing. Look at that. Can't see. It's literally just pitch black. All I can see are the trees. Like the tree trunks, the white ones. Any other point of interest is on the way to the house. My ARC Raiders car can make it up, right? Come on. Wait. I think it's coming day. Let's go. Felt like the night was longer than the day. It was a lot longer. Okay. Just about died there. This game's pretty fun. What's this house? Eagle's Perch. All the way out there? What? Alright, that'll be it for this video. If you guys like this video, want more like it, please like and subscribe. And see you in the next one.